Agile Certified Practitioner course offered by Simplilearn. This is your course introduction. Learning objectives. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to identify the benefits of the PMI-ACP certification, review and understand the certification eligibility, timeline, audit process, fees, and the renewal mechanisms for the PMI-ACP, see the agenda and the objectives for this course, and review a list of recommended references for the PMI-ACP certification. My name is Brian Campbell, and I'll be your instructor for the online version of the Agile Certified Practitioner certification course. I'll be reviewing all of the principles, practices, and the processes that are covered in the ACP certification. But first, let me spend a few minutes with a short introduction. I'm based in Houston, Texas, and I've been managing and delivering projects within the information technology area for more than 25 years. I'm a PMI Certified Project Management Professional, and I also have additional certifications for the PMI, like the Program Management Professional and, of course, the Agile Certified Professional. So I know what it's like to study and to prepare for the PMI certification exam. In addition, I've got an MBA in Information Technology Management, as well as certifications as a Scrum Master, as an Exen Agile Scrum Master, in ITIL Foundation, Lean Six Sigma, and Scrum at Scale. I've been working with Simplilearn for more than 5 years, teaching project management, Agile, and ITIL courses around the world, and helping with the development of many of their courses. In addition, I have my own company, 7 Seas Consulting, that specializes in delivering IT solutions for enterprise organizations that uses a blend of traditional project management and Agile techniques. I'm really passionate about teaching and mentoring, particularly within the project management community, and I frequently present at project management conferences and panels. I've worked in a wide and diverse range of industries and IT environments as a project manager, and I can't imagine anything that's more exciting and fulfilling. I look forward to helping you work towards achieving your PMP certification and growing your career. The PMI Agile Certified Practitioner, or PMI-ACP, is a professional certification for Agile practitioners that's offered by the Project Management Institute, or PMI. The PMI aligns its processes with the best practices of the certification industry, such as those found in the standards for educational and psychological testing. The PMI-ACP exam is a vital part of the activities that will lead you to earning your professional certification. The benefits of the PMI-ACP certification. With a PMI-ACP certification, you as a professional can demonstrate your Agile knowledge and your commitment to learning these ideas and practices. It also shows your active participation in recognized project management practices, as a certification is offered through the Project Management Institute. It demonstrates professionalism and your proficiency in Agile principles and the underlying values that support them, as well as their practices. And finally, it increases your professional versatility in Agile project management tools, techniques, and best practices.